I'm Rachel Lauren. My father passed away August of last year, and my sister lives out of state, and we had made plans for all of the girls to get together and to take my mom away for a weekend. So we left on a Thursday, which was May 31st, to go to Pigeon Forge. Left at 8 o'clock that morning. Had a great day. And when we went to bed, about 5 o'clock the next morning, we got a call on my sister's phone that the house had burned down and that we needed to come home. When we pulled in the driveway, the house was completely gone. We did lose everything that was in the house. When I had talked with some of the ladies at work, they mentioned the Wellstar Foundation to me, and I was just elated about it. So I filled out the paperwork and sent it in, and about 2.5 weeks later, they sent me a check for $2,500. And it helped tremendously. Knowing that it's team member donations, I think it makes a difference when you receive that money from the foundation, knowing that it's people that you work with that have given that money and that they care.
Well, my name is Ashley LeConte Campbell, and I'm an actress in Atlanta. I had a recurring role on Drop Dead Diva, which is shot in Peachtree City. I've been on Army Wives. I played a colonel in Germany. As an actor, one of the scary things is you don't have insurance unless you hit a certain minimum amount for one of the Actors Guilds to cover that for you. And I had been fortunate to have coverage for 4 or 5 years, and then at the end of last year, I was dropped. And I just suddenly had this panic come over me because I knew I needed insurance. When I had tried to get private insurance, they flat out denied me because I had an outstanding mammogram that I had not followed up on because of certain things with the referring doctor. And I was stuck. If it weren't for the team members contributing to the foundation, I wouldn't have been able to have a mammogram. And that's so important. So I'm so appreciative that it extends outside the boundaries of Wellstar into the community, and it helps someone like me.
The stories you just saw are lasting reminders of why the Wellstar Foundation is so important to Wellstar. Our not-for-profit system exists and thrives today because of our incredible community of team members. By working together, we can make a significant positive impact on many people's lives. We can do this by providing quality care to our patients and supporting the efforts of the Wellstar Foundation. I Am Making a Difference is the theme of our team member giving campaign this year. It's a true expression of what it means to be a foundation supporter. When I joined Wellstar, one of the first things my wife and I did was become foundation supporters. I believe it's important to always remember those among us whose needs are greater than our own. Please join me in supporting the Wellstar Foundation. Any amount you give will make a difference. Thank you for helping make an impact and for everything that you do for Wellstar.
I've been a Wellstar Foundation supporter for 16 years.
5 years.
Since my first day at Wellstar.
Why?
It's simple. My donations make a difference to my family, my neighbors, my coworkers.
To everyone.
I give because there are people all around us who need our support.
Giving back to our communities is an essential part of who we are at Wellstar.
It's reassuring knowing that 100% of my donations will go directly to the Wellstar project I choose.
Like early lung cancer screenings.
Wellstar Community Hospice.
And making our facilities here at Wellstar even better.
My donations help provide mammograms to women without insurance.
And fund health programs that are important to my children and my community.
Being a foundation supporter makes me happy.
Proud.
Like I'm giving back to my community.
When I joined the foundation, I immediately felt like I was touching someone else's life.
Through the Wellstar Foundation, we're showing people every day that there are others in the world who still care.
And that they're not forgotten or alone.
That's really what it's all about.
It doesn't take much.
Just compassion for others and a few seconds of time.
Becoming a Wellstar Foundation supporter has been one of the easiest decisions I ever made.
And one of the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.